Hi there, my Blanco dishwasher has not finished its cycle. I've been trying to switch it off and on, change various cycles, but it seems to start filling with water but then nothing again. Please help. Alex.
Hi there Alex and welcome to the site. Thank you for your inquiry. I will be assisting you with your question today. The loss of power for this amount of time will drain the electronics and hopefully reset the controller of the dishwasher. Please do this and keep me posted. Thank you.
Hi, thank you for your response. I did try this option. I switched it off and switched on in 2 hours. Set auto program closed the door. It then started to fill with water or sounded like that, then nothing. I can do that again for 45 minutes and will contact you afterwards. Regards, Alex.
Hi Alex, not just switch it off, you need to disconnect the power cord from the wall. Please do this and let me know. Thank you.
OMG done.
Hi Alex, when this happens, don't just switch it off, unplug it and this fully resets the dishwasher. If you require further assistance with this, down the track, just drop me a reply here. I take it you're all sorted for now then? If you have any further questions, even after rating, just ask, I am happy to answer them. Thank you.
Hi, what would happen if the machine is not working regardless?
Hi Alex, if the machine is not working, it is not working, nothing will happen. It all depends on the symptoms it displays as to what the problem could be, etc. It is a process of elimination usually. Thank you AUSSIE Repair Tech. 41217.37729477801.
I mean, if I rate your service and pay, should I pay again if your current advice will not help?
Hi Alex, most definitely not, no. All you need to do is follow the link in your email from JustAnswer regarding your question, back to this page and drop me a reply, anytime. As soon as I log in, I can see all of my replies here and answer them. There is only a one-off payment for individual questions, no more. I would not have anybody pay twice for the same question. Hope that answers your inquiry. Thank you. Good luck and thank you for choosing JustAnswer.
Hi, I plugged it in, switched on, set a program, but nothing has happened so far. It still does not work. When I switched it on, the auto button was beaming constantly, but now it is flashing. Please help. Alex.
May I have the full model number, please?
Unfortunately, I do not have any. Manual is gone. I have searched around but could not find any. It is a built-in Blanco fit, is it? Sorry. Approx it is 8 yo.
Check on the sides of the door.
Found. Bib 6 type DWA 435,331,323,111.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.